Oleander. Key features and information. Botanical name. Nerium oleander, commonly known as oleander, is a flowering shrub in the Opossinaceae family. Habitat. Oleander is native to the Mediterranean region, but is now widely cultivated in various parts of the world, particularly in warm, dry climates. It is commonly found in gardens, along roadsides, and in parks, especially in areas with hot summers. Oleander thrives in full sun and well-drained, slightly alkaline soils. Leaves. The leaves of oleander are narrow, elongated, and leathery in texture. Shape and size. The leaves are lance-shaped with a pointed tip and can grow up to 6 to 8 inches long. Color. They are typically a glossy, dark green on the upper surface, while the underside is lighter with a silvery gray sheen. Arrangement. The leaves grow in pairs or whorls along the stems. Flowers. Oleander flowers are one of its most striking features, known for their large, showy blooms. Colors. The flowers come in various colors, including white, pink, red, and even yellow, depending on the variety. Structure. Oleander flowers are trumpet-shaped, with 5 petals arranged in a circular or star-like formation. The flowers have a slightly ruffled appearance and grow in clusters at the ends of the branches. Fragrance. The flowers are often fragrant, with a sweet, sometimes heavy scent, particularly in the evening. Blooming time. Oleander typically blooms in late spring to summer, with a flowering period that can extend for several months in warm climates. The plant may produce continuous flowers during the growing season, creating an abundant, colorful display. Adaptations. Drought tolerance. Oleander is well adapted to dry, hot climates and is highly drought tolerant once established. Toxicity. One of the most important characteristics of oleander is its toxicity. All parts of the plant, including leaves, flowers, and stems, are poisonous if ingested. The plant contains compounds known as cardiac glycosides, which can cause severe poisoning, particularly in humans and animals. Caution should be taken when handling or planting oleander in areas with pets or young children. Salt tolerance. Oleander is also tolerant of salty conditions, making it a good choice for coastal gardens. Cultural symbolism. Symbol of caution or danger. Due to its toxicity, oleander has often been associated with danger, death, and caution in literature and folklore. In some cultures, it symbolizes forbidden love or the darker side of nature. Symbol of beauty and resilience. Despite its poisonous nature, oleander's beautiful flowers often symbolize strength and resilience, thriving in harsh, dry conditions. Uses. 1. Ornamental use. Oleander is widely used as an ornamental shrub in gardens and landscapes due to its vibrant flowers and ability to tolerate harsh, dry conditions. It is often planted as a hedge or in rows to create privacy screens or windbreaks. It is also popular in coastal areas due to its salt tolerance. 2. Medicinal use. Historical. Oleander has been used in traditional medicine in some cultures, though its use is dangerous due to the toxicity of the plant. In some regions, oleander extracts have been used in folk medicine to treat conditions like heart failure, though these practices are not recommended due to the risk of poisoning. Modern medical research has been investigating the potential of oleander compounds in cancer treatment, but such research is still in early stages. Ecological importance. Wildlife. While toxic to most animals and humans, oleander may provide shelter or food for certain insects and wildlife that are able to tolerate the toxins. Some species of butterflies, such as the oleander hawk moth, feed on the plant's leaves. Pollinator attraction. The brightly colored flowers of oleander attract various pollinators, particularly bees and butterflies, which benefit from its nectar. Care and maintenance. Planting. Oleander prefers well-drained, slightly alkaline soil and should be planted in full sun for the best flowering performance. It is relatively low maintenance once established. Watering. While oleander is drought tolerant, it will perform better with regular watering during dry spells, particularly in areas with long, hot summers. Pruning. Oleander benefits from occasional pruning to maintain its shape and remove dead or damaged wood. Pruning after flowering can also encourage more blooms. Fertilizing oleander generally doesn't require heavy fertilization, but applying a balanced fertilizer in the spring can support healthy growth and flowering. Toxicity and safety considerations. Oleander is highly toxic if ingested, and handling the plant should be done with care. It can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, heart failure. Toxicity to pets and livestock. Oleander is dangerous to pets, including dogs, cats, and horses. Even ingesting a small amount can lead to poisoning. So it is essential to plant oleander in areas that are inaccessible to pets and children. Caution during pruning. Care should be taken when pruning oleander to avoid exposure to its sap, which can irritate the skin or cause more severe reactions if ingested. Always wear gloves when handling oleander. Invasive nature. In some regions, particularly in parts of the southwestern United States, oleander has become invasive. It can spread aggressively and displace native vegetation, particularly in disturbed environments such as roadsides and floodplains. Oleander is a beautiful yet highly toxic shrub that requires careful handling. While it provides stunning flowers and can be used in ornamental landscaping, its toxicity makes it unsuitable for environments with small children or pets. As a hardy, low-maintenance plant, it can thrive in hot, dry conditions, making it a popular choice for gardeners in warmer climates.